Good morning! We have been making a few videos about the studio build out already, and today is the day where we're making a studio tour. So join me for a studio tour. I'm really excited. Let's go! Welcome to our new studio where we're gonna film all of our videos now. So we have renovated the room a little bit, as you've seen in the previous vlog. We have painted two different wall colors. We have a lighter gray here, and on the other side there is a little bit of a darker color. And the good thing about this setup is we have two different areas where we can film different things. So here we can do interviews, we can do monologues where we have the flexibility to change the background color just using different color lights. And if we want to do green screening, we can also do the same here. So we can just put green color to the wall. So basically light it in green, and then we have a green screen. Or if we want to have another mood, then we can just change the different colors. That's pretty nice. In terms of the how we separated the areas here, we have my filming setup here where I have my workspace, my computer, and a adjustable standing desk. The usual background with 3D printed parts, and yeah, I need to do something about this still. I want to have some LED lighting for this shelf and then clean it up a little bit better. Here we have all kinds of possibilities for storage, gear that we're using, and tools. And on the other side of the room where you're standing right now, on the other side, this is Rasmus' editing desk. We can also use the same desk for filming specific B-roll shots. And yeah, what we also like to do someday in the future, we also like to have some kitchenette here, just a little kitchen where we can have coffee, where we have a sink and then some possibility to get water. We already have a refrigerator, so there's some stuff in there. And also, what's good about the new curtains here, that we can completely black out the outside light, so we have control over the lighting situation. That's super important if you want to film over a longer period of time, because outside it could be changing, the sun could come out, there could be clouds coming, so there would be always change in light situation. So that's why we have to black it out, and we completely have control over the situation here. And that's basically the room where we're gonna film most of our stuff for the unforeseeable future, so to say. Rasmus, I'm gonna hand it over to you. People don't know you, probably not yet on my channel. Maybe you can say a few words what you are actually doing here.
Hi guys, I'm a video editor. I'm mainly editing here on my desk, but I also plan on doing some YouTube videos in the future, and I do some shoots with clients in the space. That's why we wanted the studio to be very versatile. You can adjust our desks, you can put them anywhere, and you can change the lighting situation in the studio, so you can actually do a lot of different things in the space, and Daniel can do his streaming and YouTube videos over there. So that's what we want to do. And I actually met Daniel because I was editing some videos for him as well for the YouTube channel. So some of the videos I actually edited on this channel as well. Exactly.
Thank you.
What else do you want to know about me?
What's happening with your YouTube channel? You've told me you're going to start a YouTube channel. Or what's going on?
Yeah, that's a work in progress. Unfortunately, I have too much other work to do, but I'm working on it. Maybe in a couple of months I'm going to start it. And then, I plan on doing some videos about video editing and just explaining my workflow and giving some tips. Basically what Daniel's doing for 3D printing, I plan on doing for video editing as well. But yeah, it's a work in progress, and I still have to find my way and how I want to do things. So yeah.
Awesome. Okay, what else could I show you? Maybe a little bit about a current video that I'm doing, just to show you how we're doing the videos. So we have this main setup here where where I'm usually filming stuff. I have different cameras here for close-ups or for different camera angles. So we have the main camera here. We have a second camera over the monitors where I can film a little bit more closer, so I can talk into the camera, be a little bit more personal. Of course, I need a microphone. That's my desk microphone where I'm using for explanations and B-roll. So I'm also doing it for recording audio voiceovers because that's more flexible. Thank you. And we have, of course, we have a light for this setup that is super important. The big one, which I really like because it gives a really nice but not harsh light on the whole setup here. Yeah, and we're currently filming a video about the Ender 3v2, all the modifications that I've done to this printer. I'm gonna edit it next. And also the computer is, or the setup is pretty much interesting in terms of, because I can record 3 cameras at once, and also the computer screen, so I don't have to synchronize my cameras all the time. I'm just recording everything at the same time to the computer, and then later we can decide which angle is the best for the given situation. What else? Xbox. I brought my Xbox here, so just in case I want to play some stuff, maybe record some gaming videos in the future. Maybe at some point we have some 2 chairs here. We want to have a little bit of a lounge situation, also for interviews, and maybe we can do some gaming. I don't know. Let's see if this
Gaming stream coming.
gaming stream coming with Rasmus and Daniel battling. I don't know what game we're gonna play. Honestly.
I'm gonna lose. I'm bad at gaming.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think that's so far everything interesting mentioning. Hope to see you soon back on the channel for another video about 3D printing and not studio and gear. But if you're interested to know how we're working and how this is all done, then just ask me in the comment section any question that you like. And we see each other in the next video. Bye.